morning children. Today we are going to do grammar chapter 1 nouns. Now what are nouns that we will see today? Naming words are called nouns. Nouns are what which have the name. The naming words are called nouns. Words that tell us the name of people, animal, birds, places or things are called naming words, that is nouns. Now you must be knowing it. A place, then people, each and everything has a name, and those naming words we call as a noun. If you want to go to some place, so we give that name of that place. People also have a name. Human beings, people also have a name. Then things which are non-living things, but then also they have a name. Animals, birds, so all over whatever it is there in the world, it has a specific name. So we are going to write and find out. We are going to now discuss about the naming words that are the nouns. Means people, places, things, animals, birds. All these are the name of noun naming words, and we will write down there people. So what will come in the people? Then places, then things, then animals and birds. So all these we are going to specify it. Okay, what are they? So we'll start with people. So we'll write father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. In the world, everybody, we say actually father, but if we give a name to a father, then it is a specific name is given. Until unless it is just a, we count them in a people. Father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cousins. So all these are what? These are called people. What are they called? People. Doctor, teacher, they are also in people. D-O-C, P-O-R, doctor, teacher. Now we go to the places. Now places are many things in the world, but we give them a specific name for the place. What do? We will give the name of the places, that is city, village, school, garden, zoo. So places is what? City. Right? Now place is what known as city. Now in city we have many cities. Anand, Baroda, Ahmedabad, Surat, all these are there in the city. But the place is what? City over here. And in the cities we have different places. Then we have garden. Everybody loves to go in the garden, right? G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Hospital, city, garden, hospital, bank, school. Then what else? Zoo, village, ground. Right? So all these are what? All these are places. In these places, all these are there. City, garden, hospital, bank, school, zoo, village, ground. It means city, it is many cities are there. But in the cities, a specific name is given. Garden, where the children go to play, we usually say we give the name. The children are playing in a garden. Hospital, if somebody is sick or ill, or we are having a fever, we go to the hospital to the doctor. So it is a specific place and a name of a place. Bank, where do we deposit or take the money? We go in the bank. School, the children usually go to school to study. Zoo, animals are kept in the zoo. zoo. So where animals are kept, we usually say in the zoo. We don't say they are just in the forest or they are just in the garden. No. Animals are kept in the zoo, and where animals are kept, that place we have given a specific name, zoo. Village. All the people who live in a rural area, in a village. And ground. Ground means what? You can say a playground or a simple a ground. Now we go to the things section. What is this? Things. Now in things we can mention anything which is non-living things, which are not living things, which are non-living things which do not have life. So we can say chalk, 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 fan, 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 then table, chair, book, pen, pencil. Okay, if you can remember, you can help it out. Chalk, pen, table, chair, book, pen, pencil, blackboard. All these are things. What are these? All these are things. All these are things. Now we go to animals. Now animals, as we told, where do animals live? Animals live in a zoo. Now these animals live in a zoo. So we cannot, we have this, animals also have a specific name. Few are domestic, few are wild. So we have to specify over here, we have to give the name. All these are nouns, but names are given. So they are naming words. So all these are nouns, and for the animals also names are given. So we have to write the animal's name as CAT, cat, DOG, dog, COW, cow, SHEE, fish, sheep. Then which other animal you can say? Goat, GOAT, goat. Then which other animal comes? Lion, 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 TIGER, tiger. Right? So all these animals also have a name. We cannot say a dog, a cat, or we cannot say a lion or tiger. Right? A lion is called lion only because name is given. So what is it? Naming words are called nouns. So all these are what known as nouns only. Now we go to the birds. Now what are birds? Birds also have a name. We cannot say eagle, a crow, or we cannot say a duck, a dove, right? So all the birds also have a specific name. So we'll write the name of the birds. We will write DOVE, dove, DUCK, duck, sparrow, 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 eagle, 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 crow, CROW, crow. Then what we are going to write? Pigeon, PIGEON, pigeon. Right? So all these are birds which have the name. So over here what it is said, if naming words are called nouns. Now words that tells us the name of people, animal, birds, place or things are called naming words. Now all these are the naming words of the nouns only. See, people, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cousin, doctor, teacher. So if there is a group meeting or staff meeting, that time madam, our principal ma'am says, all the teacher please come in my office. So all the teacher will go in the office. But if the principal man wants to meet a specific only one subject teacher, so that name of the teacher is given. So it is like that. All these people, places, things, animal and birds, all are what they are called naming words. They are called nouns.